Feed LA, and today we're in my home kitchen with our partner California Grown. And we're going to be making one of our friend Aida Mullenkamp from Salt and Wind's Escarole and Charred Mandarin Salad. Today we're going to be using fresh California grown produce, olive oil, and green olives, and I'll pair it with a nice dry California rosé. We're really lucky in California to have the most amazing citrus, which is popping off right now. In my neighborhood, people's trees are like bursting with grapefruits and lemons and oranges, and I crave it every morning. So I'm really excited to make this nice, bright, beautiful salad, which will be perfect for the summer heat. So let's get started. Alright, now I'm going to assemble the dressing, and I strained the rosemary from the honey, so I just have that nice infused honey to work with. And I'm going to actually add all of the ingredients to this mason jar, and this is a really nice way, an easy way to make salad dressing. Instead of whisking it like vigorously in a bowl, you just add it all to the jar and shake it up. So I'm just going to add some olive oil, some balsamic, and then the orange juice, keep it kind of bright, and the honey. And then finish it off, just some salt and pepper. Okay, that should be good. Just add the top on. So easy. To make variations of this, you just need oil, sugar, and acid. So you can change out the vinegar to like an apple cider vinegar and just use like honey or maple syrup, whatever you have. So now you have, great fresh salad dressing. You can store this in the fridge for a while and reuse. All right, so the next step that we're gonna do is we're just going to slice these mandarins in half, and we're gonna sprinkle them with a little sugar and put them under the broiler to caramelize. All right, now I'm going to shave some fennel, which will provide a nice licoricey flavor to the salad and also give it a nice crunchy texture. So for fennel, I always just cut the fronds off, which you can reserve and use later. And then I slice it down the center and then use a mandolin to shave it. All right, so now with the escarole, you're just gonna wanna trim the ends. So just tear up the leaves and add it to the salad bowl. So now we're ready to pull everything together and assemble the salad. So I have the escarole pieced out into the bowl. I'm gonna add the fennel. I'm just gonna salt and pepper it before I add everything else. It's always good to salt your greens before you start layering it. So now I'm going to add some California green olives. These ones have bits in them, so you can cut them up if you want, but I think it's nice to kind of display them this way. Some of our toasted almond slivers. And of course, the finale will be our mandarins on top. I wish you could smell these, they smell so good. That should do it. All right, now I'm just gonna add the dressing and we'll be ready to dig in. All right, so our salad is assembled and ready to go. Looks amazing. I'm so excited to try it. I've put a bite together that has a little bit of everything. Don't be afraid to eat the skin on the mandarins. It's super thin and it adds a lot of flavor to the salad. It was so yummy. Thank you, Aida, for the recipe. You can find it on thefeedfeed.com. I'm gonna go enjoy this outside in the sunshine with a glass of dry California rosé. See you guys later.